Welcome back. I've got Anastasia in the studio again today, and this time just playing with the 120D with the bigger light dome. Just going to be a really quick shoot just to test out how we can produce some really nice soft light on the white cyclorama. I'm imagining these shots will probably go black and white, and I'll make them fairly contrasty and just have a bit of a play with what we can get. But I've just positioned Anastasia right at the back edge of this softbox. So we're getting some really, really nice soft light. It's kind of bouncing off the floor a little bit as well. And our background's going a really nice, even sort of grey. So really soft, beautiful light. And then I can just play around in post with the contrast. So let's see what we can get. Yeah, up on your toes and yeah, feet apart, that's cool. Nice. Yeah, remember to keep your face to the light. That's beautiful, just like that. Cool. Yeah, that's really nice. Excellent. Okay, same sort of thing, just step that way a touch. Yep, and back just a little bit. Yep, perfect. Right. So yeah, these are kind of thigh up kind of poses. Yep, so you can relax your feet. Yeah, cool. Yeah, remember to keep that face up. That's beautiful. Really nice. Cool. Just coming a little bit forward now. A bit forward more, and then this side a little bit. Yep, that's it. So this is going to be a little bit more contrasty lighting. So Anastasia's going to have to really keep her face in this kind of direction and head up a little bit, otherwise the shadow's going to come across her face. And body direction you can change around a little bit. Yep, but just remember to keep your kind of face in this kind of angle. Perfect. Yeah, that's nice. Yeah, we've got a bit more direction to the light now. Cool, just relax there for a second. Yeah, we can see yourself there. Okay, yep, I'm just changing my angle a little bit now as well, so we can get a little bit more shape to that light. That's beautiful, really nice, chin up a touch, that's it. That's it. That's really nice, keep that chin up. Eyes back to me, that's it. Come in a little bit tighter, so yeah, keep your hands there. Chin up a little bit, that's it. Yeah, perfect. Now if I'm going to come around this direction, get a completely different sort of light again. That's it, yep. Looking at me, that's it. Yeah, nice. Very cool. Let's maybe try some sitting on the floor poses. So I'm just going to lower the light a little bit because Anastasia's a bit lower to the ground now. We've got extra distance. There we go. And I'm just going to spin it to the front. So it's going to feather down in front of her a little bit. Yeah, that's nice. Yeah, if you keep your face kind of in that position, it's really good. Yeah, that's nice. Perfect. Just bring your face back to me a little bit. Actually, yeah, you can slide that leg out if you like. Yep, that's it. Perfect. Chin down just a little bit. Just turning your face that direction, and then chin up just a touch, and then eyes to me. That's it. Yeah, perfect. That's really nice. Cool. Might do some kind of more sitting like that. Yep. Come back into the light a little bit more. That's it. Yeah, perfect. That's beautiful. Okay, I just want to do some really tight headshots with this as well. So I'll lift the light back up again and get you stand again. Okay, just step across that way a little bit. Yeah, perfect, just there. Okay, can you bring your hair around the sides a little bit more? Yep, that's it, perfect. That's it. Yeah, beautiful, that's nice. Cool. Just kind of bring both hands up. That's it. And spinning back around to me a little bit. Yep, that's it, perfect, just there. Okay, spinning around, looking back over your shoulder towards me. Yep. Actually, there's this little tag sticking out the back there. Grab that. Yep, that's good. Got it. So yeah, drop that knee forward a little. Yep. Yep, that's good. Yeah, great. Okay, just going to do a full length on that. Just bring that left hand just to sit on top of your thigh there. Yeah, that's good. Yep. Nice. Yeah, that's great. Yeah, get as much kind of curve in the back as you can. Yeah, yep, that's it. Yeah, beautiful. Just lean forward again for me. Bit too much. Back a bit. Yeah, that's it, just there. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, so leaning forward with your chest and then head up a little bit. Yeah, that's it. That's stunning. That's beautiful. Eyes back to me. That's it. Yep, nice. Excellent. Okay, so there's a little insight into using the 120D with the light dome, just to give some really nice soft beauty type light on the white cyclorama. As you saw, you can get a very different type of light just by moving your model back and forth in front of the softbox. At the moment where we're standing right at the back edge, you get a really beautiful soft light. But if you move your model forward, you're going to get some more contrast and get something a bit more dramatic. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you follow and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Here's a link to Anastasia's Instagram, so make sure you check her out and give her a follow. Make sure you're following me if you haven't done so already as well. And thanks again for joining us. Until we see you in the next video, ciao for now.